Hello everyone, it's Karate Mask. This video was made for people who are just starting karate or have a goal to get a black belt. I'm glad you choose karate out of the martial arts out there. This time, I'm finally going to put out a combination video. The combination I'm going to show you today is a Gyakutsuki from a Kizamitsuki. I'll teach you 3 simple steps. So let's learn this technique and get one step closer to your black belt. If you haven't watched the video of Gyakutsuki and Kizamitsuki before, I recommend you to watch them first. This channel is for beginner karate practitioner. Even children can learn karate easily. Please subscribe to our channel if you like. I'll be happy to support your practice with this video. Let's watch the main part of the video. How was it? I often see beginners who focus too much on the tuki and end up in a state of floating festival. Do not be in a hurry and let your body get accustomed to this movement slowly. Once a week is fine. The important thing is to continue to do so. Enjoy karate according to your lifestyle. See you again in the next video.